Hi, this is Zak Mir from Zak's Traders Cafe with a look at some bulletin board hero stocks on Thursday, the 21st of January. Starting off with Armadale Capital, where you can see that the shares have been falling within this broadening triangle over the last couple of months at least. Dead cross sell signal with the 50-day and 200-day moving averages, and also that's taken us into oversold territory in the RSI. Last time we were down in these areas, there were decent reactions to the upside. You can see that in March and then especially in May as well. So the possibility of a rebound here, but you want to probably see an end of day close back above the 20-day moving average. That's at 2.95 pence, and that would be the best momentum trigger at this stage, even though we've already seen a little bit of a positive reaction over yesterday's session. Next up, Fastjet, which has been a surprising recovery here, despite perhaps because of the alleged fundamentals here, but we're just breaking this trend line here from September. That's running around the 68 to 70 pence area. Probably want to see an end of day close through 70 pence, perhaps 71 pence, just to make sure before we call the stock up to 87 pence, which is the area of the 200-day moving average. But at this stage, that's probably the best on offer. End of day close stop loss back below the 50-day moving average at 60.73. Next up, Immupharma. I've seen that biotech stocks have been back in focus and more positive of late. Looks like it's in a little consolidation range now, 25 pence to 30 pence. End of day close outside or above 30 pence or below 25 pence would be the next major move on the stock. Could be quite a pent-up move, quite a decent breakout. On the upside, 38 pence is a 200-day moving average over the next month if we're lucky, and back towards 20 if we're unlucky. But I would go for the upside scenario now, given the way the RSI is pushed above neutral 50 to 56, and that is usually an leading indicator on movement, in this case positive. Nature Group, don't think I've looked at this stock before, but it looks as though we have a rebound within a falling wedge from May, gap to the upside as well through the 10 and 20-day moving averages, and also a rebound of this uptrend line in the RSI window from as long ago as October, so that is all very encouraging. End of day close above the 50-day moving average at 11.27 pence, the momentum buy trigger for cautious traders, and that should take us back up to at least the November resistance area around 13 pence. After that, a full-blooded recovery over the next 2 to 3 months as high as 16 pence, which is 2015 resistance. Pinnacle Technology was a stock which was in favor here a few weeks ago. We had that vertical move, a very impressive one, towards 18 pence in December. Since then, the name of the game has been trying to work out how far back the stock will go. Ideally, it wouldn't have been back below 12 pence. We now see a dance around the 50-day moving average of 10.68 pence and bounce off this RSI support line from October, which is encouraging, but really probably one we want to see an end of day close back above 12 pence to clear old resistance from July, something which would be then strong enough to prove that the stock could head back towards 18 pence. Otherwise, we could still fall back a little further. Finishing off with another strange named stock, Tissue Regenix Group, double bear trap rebound over the last this week, back above also 14 pence support from November on the way down. That was also support in April. So above 14 pence, looking encouraging for at least an intermediate rally back towards 78 or 18 pence, which was October resistance. That's it for me. More updates at the same time tomorrow.